Does a sore wrist mean you should not perform arm exercises? Hi, guys. Welcome to the MedFitness Minute. I was coaching a female client through her workout, and she was performing elbow extension, which is working her upper arm. And she told me her wrist was sore during the exercise. So we evaluated that pain and asked her to score it on an effort or intensity scale. We also asked her if that pain is stable or getting worse. We also asked if it discontinues after the exercise. We also acknowledged that her function should be stable, and is it stable, and how is that affecting her day-to-day life? So there was a long list of questions that I used to determine whether or not she should keep performing that exercise. And as it turns out, we decided, yes, this exercise is beneficial for arm strength, and the risk of an injury, the risk of something going wrong appears to be very low. If that changes, she'll communicate that to us. But this is one more reason why working with a personal trainer makes sense. You can evaluate whether something is risky and should be discontinued, and or a substitute exercise should be in place. So one more way that we help our clients at MedFitness is with our signature support.